This program, I think, is going to be quite unique. Most of the programs that I see are put on by practitioners for practitioners with very little scientific input from the academic community. And when academics are invited to appear, it's sort of like a celebrity appearance. Somebody who's got a really funny spiel that gets everybody thinking for an hour during the convention, but really doesn't have much permanent impact beyond that in the practice of financial planning. And our intention here is to work with the professionals to figure out how can we apply these very well-developed concepts, ideas, techniques for de-risking portfolios to the practice of financial planning.